Okay, we finished our head. We have it all painted. We put the back on. We wanted to check the mouth. Mouth's working good. So now what we want to do is put the wig on. We have our hands here. So we're going to mount the hands for the body. We'll staple the wig on. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. And we staple this on, so if you ever have to get into the back of the head, all you gotta do is take the staples out, pop the staples, unscrew the back of the head piece here, then this will come out. So we're gonna get this stapled on, get our hands put on the body, and then we'll come back to the next step. Thanks for watching.